Hi guys, you're welcome back to our channel. We are live in the city of Owerri, and as you know, we can't visit Owerri without bringing you guys an update regarding this work that is going on in the city. Yes, the last time we visited, talks were on that by December they should be done, but this is November and this is the stage the work is currently. From the look of things, personally, I doubt this work will be finished in December, but I don't know. Let's keep watching. Our fingers are crossed, and let's see what happens between now and December. So this is a quick update regarding this work. So if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. We are your favorite travel family. Kindly do what to click on the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. Yes, we look forward to your comments, your feedback regarding this project at the end of the video. For as many of you who have been following our videos, you know that I'll be doing updates regarding this work since the inception of this work. And we also have a very beautiful drone clip of the before, what this place looks like before this work commence. So this is a flyover project currently going on at Control, which is one of the most popular junction in Owerri, in the city of Owerri. So a lot of people know Control. If you are missing at all in Owerri, find your way to Control and you surely get a vehicle going to your direction. So Control leads you into Owerri town proper, leads you into portharcourt express, leads you into Onitsha, and from there you can find your way to any other city you are going to. So we have been following up the update of this project. So it's going to flank, as you can see, coming from portharcourt and coming from Onitsha. So that's how it's going to be flanking around this area, as you can see. So the sculpture there has been a major source of concern for a lot of persons. So I believe seeing this clip now, you'll be fully aware now or confident that that sculpture is not going to be destroyed by the time the project is completed, because initially when we started, we said it that from the engineers on ground, they told us the sculpture will not be affected. They will really remodel it, repaint it, and do a lot of stuff to it by the time they are done. So as you can see, they flanked the flyover across it already. So I believe it will still be showing gradually for those who are passing through the top or those using the down part of the flyover. So but the work is pretty slow. I must tell you the fact, the work is pretty slow, because there is no serious no significant difference from the last time we came, though these two parts standing now were not yet fully standing when we came. Just the pillars were there, but now they've done some work on top, but then it is not still significant looking at the gap or the distance or the duration of time that we did that video. So and today also is looking quite very calm, though few engineers are there, but looking very calm. No much work is going on. I don't know why. So I don't know why. So no much work is going on, and some holes are still being dug, and a lot of sections are just there. So we're just waiting to see what happens afterward. The plan was for it to be completed in December, but with the work they've done so far, I don't really know how that is going to be possible. So if you are part of the team constructing this work, you can also feed us if it is possible for the work to be completed. So this is the one leading to the portharcourt express, like I mentioned earlier, one leading into World Bank, the other one going into the Wedra axis, and the other one coming back from Onitsha. So this is just the environment of the one coming from Wedra. There used to be a petrol station over there that has been brought down. So this is the one taking you into town, like Owerri proper, into Wedra and all of that. So this is the road leading there. So I don't know if pillars are still going to be standing here till you get to a point in front. I don't know. We're just watching to see how the work progresses after this time. And the one going to Onitsha, as you can see, already flanked. So all of them will be joining in at the portharcourt express point. So I think it's quite cool. I believe there will be spaces down where those going into World Bank can easily navigate their way into World Bank. Those going into Onitsha Road can just use the down floor instead of going through the top. So I believe somehow it's going to also help the traffic one way or the other around here, whether it's going to help the traffic. But before the flyover work commenced, there used to be a lot of people on ground who were stationed on ground to control the traffic and ensure that there is no traffic congestion around this area. So, but let's see what happens. And our church, of course, which is a remarkable landmark in Owerri, is still standing there looking at us, not affected at all as a result of the work. So I believe the planner of that church did a very good job by giving a lot of space to the road. So that's quite good. So we'll be watching out. So let me have your feedback in the comment section. And if you are based in Owerri, I know a lot of persons who are based in Owerri have been avoiding this axis for a lot of reasons. Traffic, buses don't get here anymore, you have to trek a distance and all of that. So we're looking forward to your own feedback in the comment section and what you think about the project. So if you're still watching till now and you enjoy content like this and you love to see more of this kind of content, kindly do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you get updated when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, as always, we do appreciate you. Like I said earlier, do well to give us your feedback in the comment section. Let's know what you think of this project, and if you are from Owerri precisely, we really love to know your thought about this project. And beyond this, a lot of work is going on around the city of Owerri. Yeah, we did an update regarding the work going on along MBC Road, so you can also check our video catalog for that update. We did an update on that. A lot of persons are avoiding that route because of traffic and because of dust. So for dust reason, yeah, I think it's understandable because it's really dusty around there because of the work going on. So you can check all of those updates from our previous video. You can even go down to our IMO catalog or Owerri catalog, as the case may be, and check out all other awesome videos that we have for you from this beautiful city. So we have quite a number of videos, so you can go check it out, and you can even see the before of this environment there, so you can do a good comparison what it was before and what it was and what it is currently and what it's going to be like. So we have also a prototype of what the place will be like by the time the work is completed. So this is just a drone overview of what the area looks like. So that is it, guys, for this update regarding this work. So there are military personnel 24/7 manning this place and keeping it safeguard, keeping the equipment and the materials here very safe. So they're always on ground. Permission was obtained, and they gave us the rights to film and video the environment. So if you have followed through till now, like I said earlier, give us your thought, give us your feedback in the comment section. And if you are not yet a subscriber, kindly do what to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you can join our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you. We appreciate your love for our channel. We will be seeing you guys in our next video. Bye.